Good morning, students. Today's topic is addition or subtraction of integers. First example is simplify 2 3 by 4 plus 5 5 by 6 plus 3 by 8. In addition or subtraction of fractions, first step is we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fractions. And second step is we have to convert all the fractions into equivalent like fractions. For that we have to make the denominator same, then we have to combine the numerator and reduce in the simplest form. Now first mixed fraction is 2 3 by 4. First step is we have to convert it into improper fraction. 4 2s are 8 plus 3, that is 11 by 4. Next step, next fraction is 5 by 6, that is 5 6 are 30 plus 5 35 by 6 plus 35 by 6 plus 3 by 8 is the proper fraction, so it remains the same. Now we have to take the LCM of 4 6 and 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, then 2 1s are 2, 3 and 2 2s are 4. So LCM of these three 4 6 and 8 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is 24. Now first 11 by 4, that is equal to 11 by 4. We have to change 4 into 24. Now 2 to the 4, leave it. 3 to the 6 into 6 into 6, that is 66 by 24. Second fraction is 35 by 6, that is multiply, we have to make 3 to the 6 is here. Now we have to multiply by 4. 35 4s are 140 upon 24. Next fraction is 3 by 8. So 3 by 8, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, we have to multiply 8 by 3 and 3, that is 9 by 24. Now we have to add this. 11 by 4 is 66 by 24 plus 140 by 24 plus 9 by 24. So now 24 is the LCM. 66 plus 140 plus 9, that is equal to 215 by 24. If you convert this, divide to 215 with this, then quotient is 8, 23 is the remainder upon 24. Now second example is second part is 1 2 by 3 plus 5 by 8 minus 7 by 12 plus 2 4 by 15. Now first of all we have to convert it into improper fraction. 3 1s are 3 plus 2, that is 5 by 3 plus 5 by 8 is already in proper fraction. 7 by 12 plus, then 30 plus 4 is 34 by 15. Now we have to take LCM of these 3 8 12 and 15. 3 1s are 3, 8 is it is, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. 4 1 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 5. LCM is equal to 3 into 4 into 2 into 5. You can write 4 is 2 into 2, that is equal to 120. Now We can do it is directly also, like 120 is the LCM. Now 3 is there, 3 rest is this, 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20, 20 to the 40, means we have to write 5 into 40 here, plus 8 is there, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 leaves, 5 3 is the 15, 5 into 15 minus 12, 4 3 is the 12, 10, 7 into 10 plus 15, 5 3 is the 15, 2 to the 4 8, 10, 34 into 8. Now solve this. 5 into 40 is 200 plus 15 5 is 75 minus 70, right? 34 into 8 is 272 divided by 120. Now it will become, when we solve it, it becomes 477 upon 120, that is 3 4s are 12, 0, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 9s are 57. That is equal to 159 by 40. When we convert it into a mixed fraction, it becomes 3, 43 is 140, that is 39 by 40. So you can solve these questions by making them equivalent fractions, or by this method taking LCM directly and solve these questions.